Now, how can we change the point colors now by groups? How can we do that? So if we come in here, we're also going to do that the same. We specify a vector of colors. So let's first say blue, and let us say green, and let us say red. So let's run this. Now we have to come in here and say in this vector, we want to say s dot numeric. And then we go to this data set, we group by species. And if you run this, now we come in here and say scatterplot 3D. We specify this subset because we are only interested in the first 3 columns. And now let us say we simply just want the points. And now if we want to group or change the colors by groups, we have to specify here that colors equals colors. And if you run this, so when you run here, we are getting an error because when we come in here, we have to say color, not colors. So that was a mistake that we did. And if you try to run this, you can see now that we have the red points, the green points, as well as the blue points. And all of those points, they are based on this vector of colors that we specified here. So that is how you can try to change colors, change the points of these colors in your 3D scatter plots by the groups.